If your CapCut is lagging, freezing, or painfully slow on your PC, you are in the right place. I'm going to be walking you through everything I personally did to fix mine. And before you say, I've tried everything, nothing is working, just hold on, because most people only fix one or two things and wonder why the problem keeps coming back. So stick with me to the end, because the lag fix, especially for PC users, is something most people completely miss, and it makes a huge difference in fixing this problem. Let's begin. First, let me show you my laptop storage. Right now, I have about 49.5 gigabytes free of 237 gigabytes. This is important because once we clear the cache, you will actually see your storage increase. Open CapCut, click on the settings icon, go to settings. Here, I have already set my cache to auto-delete every 15 days, which is why mine is not too large, okay? But if yours has built up over time, go ahead and click on this delete icon, tap OK to clear all the cache files. Now, if we go back and check my PC storage again, it has increased from 49.5 gigabytes to 49.9 gigabytes, and that's extra free up space just like that. If your cache was much bigger than this, you will notice an even bigger jump in your space. Another quick fix is to lower your preview resolution. A high preview quality can actually make your CapCut lag while you are editing. First, you have to import a project. Then you are going to add your project to your timeline like this. You will click here, and you want to make sure you set your preview resolution to medium, or you set it to low quality. What this does is that it reduces the load on your device, so your playback becomes much smoother. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your final export. Your video will still come out in full quality. This only improves the smoothness while you are editing. CapCut needs a lot of memory to run smoothly. If other apps are active, things will slow down fast inside CapCut. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape. You will see all the apps currently running using your memory. Currently, you can see how much memory my Google Chrome is using. Right click on the app you are not using. Click End Tags. When we are editing, we tend to use effects to make our work stand out and more engaging. But one thing I've noticed is that if you add too many effects or animation, CapCut will start lagging. So here is my recommendation: apply your effects after you finish your main edit, instead of adding them while you are still editing, because too many effects loading at the same time can overload your PC and CapCut, which makes playback slow or lagging. Another important fix is for you to enable proxy, and this is one of the most powerful fixes for heavy editing. Proxy is basically a lighter version of your video. So instead of CapCut editing the full file, CapCut will now create a smaller and easier version to work with, so everything runs smoother. Click the menu, go to settings, click on performance, go ahead and turn on proxy if yours is not turned on. Click save. Now, import your project, and you will notice CapCut will start loading the proxy file. You have to make sure you wait for it to finish loading. If you don't, CapCut may keep lagging or hanging. After it finishes, bring it to your timeline, and now CapCut is now editing a lighter version of your video instead of the full heavy file, which makes everything much smoother. Like I mentioned earlier, any video editing software you are using need enough space for it to perform well. So if your PC is low on storage, CapCut is definitely going to lag, especially if the project you are editing is a very large one. First, we need to empty your recycling bin. Open your recycling bin. If you can't find yours on your desktop, search here for it and open it up. Go through what you have here. Press Ctrl+A to highlight all of them. Right click and delete all. Right click again and refresh, and everything will be deleted. 2. We have to check what is using your storage. Now go to the search bar, type storage. Open it to see how your storage is being used by things you have on your PC. In my own case, you can see that my applications are taking 107 gigabytes of my space. I'm going to click on the application, and it's going to load all the software I have on my device. Now you are going to go through them and see which one you are no more using again. Click on it, and you can go ahead and uninstall it. Okay, also my videos are taking a lot of space, 32 gigabytes. So I'm going to click on the videos as well, and you are going to go ahead and delete them. Okay, the next thing we need to do is for you to clear temporary files. Go to the search bar and type %temp and press enter, and this will open a folder file with your temporary files. These are files your system and apps created for short time use, but most of them are no longer needed. Go through them and see if there's nothing useful again. Press Ctrl A to highlight all of them, right click and go ahead and delete them. Something happened to me recently. I was editing a project and suddenly everything just froze. CapCut crashed and the project stopped responding, and honestly I was frustrated. But in situations like this, you don't need to panic. Most of the times, all you need to do is to update your CapCut. But if you update and it doesn't work, I will also show you what you can do to fix this and not lose your crashed project. So how do you do that? You first need to close your CapCut. Make sure you are signed in with your Gmail account or you have a CapCut account. In some cases, once you click here, you will see this arrow right here. You can click it and it will update your CapCut, but in case you can't find it, click on settings, click version, and here you can click on check for updates, and CapCut is going to run and check for updates. And you can see my current version is 7.7 and the new version is 8.5. So what you simply need to do is to click on update now, and right here you can see that it's updating. If the previous method did not work for you, the next thing you can do is to uninstall CapCut and install it again. But before you do that, there's something very important. Make sure you have an account on CapCut and you are signed in. If you are not signed in, you could lose all your projects, including the one that just crashed. Okay, first close CapCut completely, go to the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Click Programs, find CapCut, right click on it, click on Install. Don't panic, your projects are not gone as long as your account is connected. On this page, make sure you check this Keep Your Data. That way CapCut will keep everything that is inside your old CapCut, so when you install it you will have it back. After that, click OK and CapCut will start uninstalling. The next thing we need to do is to reinstall CapCut. So open Google Chrome, search for CapCut download for PC, click the first official link, click download for PC. Once it's downloaded, open the folder, double click the file to open CapCut. CapCut will then start installing. After installation, open CapCut and you will see that all your projects are still there. Nothing is missing. Now open the project that was having issues. If you follow these steps correctly, it should open and work normally. Reinstalling refreshes the entire app, and in most cases, it fixes stubborn crashes completely. And that's it. If you follow these exact same steps, you'll be able to fix your CapCut issues. If you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It takes just few seconds. It will help this video reach more editors who are dealing with this same problem. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I post practical tutorials on CapCut, video editing, growing your online presence and how to earn from it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.